On Wednesday, July 28th of 2010, Trudie Hall's mother, Vivian Walker, reported her missing to Yarmouth Police after being unable to contact her. On Thursday, July 29th, 2010, Barnstable Police located the car Trudie rented when she came over to the mainland from Nantucket. Last Thursday, skeletal remains were found in the town of Falmouth, and we indicated that those remains would be analyzed by experts at the office of the medical examiner. The medical examiner's office late yesterday has identified the remains as Trudie Hall. Trudie was 23 years old and pregnant at the time of her death. Though Trudie will never speak again, by finding her, she has told us much. Among other things, she has told us how many times she was shot and with what kind of bullets. We are grateful that a man walking his dog found Trudie, because where she was found is of importance to this investigation. We are now requesting that anyone who either knowingly or unknowingly aided Trudie's killer come forward by contacting the Massachusetts State Police at 508-790-5799. Your opportunity to do this is now. In the fullness of time, this case will be resolved, and the persons or person involved in Trudie's death will be brought to justice. I will answer whatever questions I can, but they will probably be few.
Do you have any persons of interest at this point?
I don't like that phrase. I'm not going to characterize anyone who's either included in that category or excluded.
How many times she was shot and what type of caliber was used?
She was shot multiple times. We will keep the precise number and the caliber of the rounds as a confidential part of the investigation at this point in time.
If there is somebody arrested, would there be two murder charges?
Well, there could be. Trudie was at that point in her pregnancy, which is really on the bubble in Massachusetts as to whether or not a separate charge of murder or some other charge would be appropriate. And it is very much a case-by-case determination.
How were the remains identified? Was it dental records?
A combination of things, including dental records, some articles of jewelry, and some other things. There may be a possibility that someone knowingly or unknowingly aided the killer of Trudie after the fact, and we want that person to contact us.